Hi there. Yep. Today I'm going to take out a Netgear Baystack 450 24-2 switch. Use them, don't need them, so I'm going to take them apart for scrap and see if I can get some money out of it, and maybe it's useful if you've got one and you want to tear it apart. And yeah, so first all the connectors, cables, gonna take them out. We don't need them. Oh, oops, took already the voltage regulator module out. This is the difference between a 3-com switch and a Nortel Baystack switch. If you put them on a auxiliary power like a generator, a 3-com will die and a Baystack keeps running. VRM, important. So put them aside. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. Probably scrap them if I get some money out of it. Take these off. Also hand them in at the scrapyard. People don't usually know, but you get money out of them, 25 cents a kilogram. So save them all the little bits and you'll have quite a lot of kilograms and make some more money. Cable, same. They want them without stickers, so take them off, put them on the pile, make money. Same here. Leaving them on the board will not get you extra money, so trim everything off and you get the most money out of your old scrap, or e-waste as they like to call it. And because today there is no waste, if you look at it, just you have to find the right channels to bring all your stuff to, just like I do. The only part I haven't found where I can get money for is the ABS plastic from the casings and stuff like that. So right now I'm in the middle of trying to find a company that will pay me for it, and else maybe in the near future I'll make a shredder and make my own 3D printable PLA or filament out of it. But for now I'm just collecting it, trying to find a company that will give me some money for it, so it doesn't end up on a landfill because it's unsorted or gets burnt and ends up as fuel for dirty electricity, because that's how I see it. And yeah, it burns like hell, but it's not why I take these machines apart. And because I take them apart here, I definitely know they're not going to be shipped to a third world country, and the level of material I hand in is as clean as possible. And because it's as clean as possible, you don't get much waste in waste streams, and they pay you more, and it's better for the environment because every company that deals in a certain type of waste do not always treat different types as well as you would hope so. Many companies that claim that they recycle 100% or 89% means they take stuff apart, and everything that can get burned is going to the incinerating furnace and gets recycled to be used as fuel for electricity, and then they can claim it's 100% recycled. this is a bit of a fast way to get these bolts out. Try to unscrew them, but they're a centimeter in length, and yeah, don't like it. And they break pretty easy. Nice thing about these casings is also I used one of them for my car and built a metal structure out of it. You see, they just break, just bend and breaks. These ones I don't cut up because there is gold and gold in there, and also handing them in gives me additional money as computer cable. So that makes me another 60 cents a kilogram more than handing them in with a cut cable. Yeah, it's getting to know your buyers and their preferences. So I usually end up going to 3 or 4 companies that will buy the stuff. So this power supply, yep, gives me money. It's a low-grade board, but because of the copper and stuff like that, it's 45 cents a kilogram, and this is almost 800 grams. So yeah, instead of going to waste, it's become money. And yeah, the whole appliance does not really supply much money. You get 25 cents to 45 cents a kilogram if it's set up in total. If I take it apart, it quickly doubles, triples, quadruples, because this board, it's about a kilogram, and a kilogram ends up being 450 because it's a telecom board. And yeah, all these chips contain gold, palladium, tantalum, and all other precious metals. So these boards are qualified as high grade or A grade plus, A1 plus, and yeah, that's 450 a kilogram. Yeah, and this way this machine, instead of being, maybe if I sell it on here in the Netherlands, Marktplaats or eBay, I maybe get 250 out of it. I just made 450 with a couple of minutes screwing and then just collecting it and bring it away. The electric motors, yeah, it's a bit of my thing. I can't leave them in. Put them in the junkyard, and yeah, you don't really need to take them off, but I take them off. And because I take them off, I then cut them up and put them into the waste pile. And because I take most of the housing off, I get 25 cents a kilogram, and it's quite easy to just strip the electric motor out of it, and this way the junkyard does not have a lot of plastic. And as I said, I'm trying to find a buyer for the cleaned up plastic, because this is clean. Yes, it's a bit mucky, it's dusty, but because there is no metal parts, no other stuff sticking to it, it's plain ABS. So hope to find a company that buys it from me. And yeah, so you see, I was now being a bit slow because I was talking to you, and that's it. So you get your screws that you can repurpose, your electric cable, your computer cable, your rest junk that will bring you 25 cents a kilogram, plastics, power board, main board, and junk iron. And these ones Yeah, don't know yet. So, ta-da!